How to fix public Wi-Fi login page not showing on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings app, tap on the Wi-Fi option available there. There, tap on the I info icon next to the public Wi-Fi and tap on the forget this network and turn Wi-Fi off and on again and reconnect to the same Wi-Fi network. Then scroll down and you will get to see the private Wi-Fi address. Make sure to toggle this off. If you are using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily and reconnect to Wi-Fi and check again. Then go back to the settings and scroll down and tap on the apps option available there. Then scroll and look for the Safari. Inside Safari, all you have to do is simply scroll down and look for the clear web history and website data and simply tap on it and clear the all history. Then try reconnecting and opening Safari again. After that, simply go back to the settings general again. And this time what you have to do is tap on the general and scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer reset iPhone, then tap on the reset and tap on the reset network settings. This deletes save Wi-Fi and VPN setting but often fixes stubborn issues. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.